It's my favorite time of the year, and today we will be making these super kawaii gingerbread cupcakes. My name is Anya, and you're watching Doki Cakes. The things you will need for this project are fondant in the colors black, white, and gingerbread brown, some dome foams, large cookie cutter, pink edible paint, and a small food-safe brush. So I rolled out my fondant, and you want a circle cutter that's slightly larger than the foam, and go ahead and cut your circle. Place this on top of the foam and smooth it out with your hands. Make 2 indentions for his eyes and use water to glue black fondant circles. Also glue the eyebrows and a cute little smile. Add the white highlights to his eyes, and this is what brings the gingerbread boy to life. It's time to hit the subscribe button and the bell if you haven't already so you don't miss any new Doki cake videos. To create the icing, I brushed a squiggly line with water, rolled out a thin snake shape of white fondant, and used the water as a guide for my fondant placement. Cut off the excess fondant, and to make it more cute, paint his cheeks with edible pink paint. You will let this set 3 to 4 hours. It's time to decorate your cupcakes, and all you need to do is to pipe a dollop of buttercream, place your topper, and this is what your cupcake should look like. And voila, we are done with these kawaii gingerbread boy cupcake, guys. They turned out so cute, and these are perfect for your Christmas party. I would love to see them, so don't forget to post them on my Instagram with the hashtag Doki Cakes. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye.